This is day 15, breakfast for rebuilding muscle at 52, Menopause Edition. Am I having fish sticks for breakfast? Yes, I am. These fish sticks right here, that's cilantro lime taco tenders. So good. I added some egg for extra protein. Got some QP mayo. I've always loved fish stick tacos, but the flavor on these. And then gonna put some Thai sweet chili sauce on top. I have went through this bag of taco tenders, fish sticks in about a week. And this sauce on top, chef's kiss. And then I've got some blueberries and bananas, half of a banana with cinnamon on top.